guys, good morning. Welcome to our channel. Anyway, happy Easter to all, to everyone.
Hello?
Hi. What we're eating right now?
So we're eating Jollibee and we're Jollibee and we're Jollibee.
So what did you get?
So I got these. We're supposed to go on the
So,
Jolly, go
Miguel's-
around.
So Miguel get 2 pieces of chicken with rice and a fries.
Yeah.
Then I got my burger steak. Can you see it? Burger steak with rice. And also I order what's this? For the kids meal. That's why Miguel get the toy. So kids meal with Jazan! Spaghetti! Anyway guys, hindi lang naman to yung first time namin kumain sa Jollibee.
I think this is my fourth time eating Jollibee.
Yeah, I know. We cannot count anymore. Pero nung bago-bago pa siya dito sa Canada, talagang sobrang yung alam mo yung pagka-crave mo sa Jollibee dahil matagal na panahon mo siyang hindi nakakain. So anyway, masyadong malapit. So anyway, aray ko. Dahil ako kasi gusto ko talagang kinakain yung gusto ko talagang kinakain yung burger steak. Kaya yun ang lagi kong ino-order. So anyway guys. So ito yung kanin nila oh. They have gravy also. Ito yung gravy nila oh. Yeah. Hindi nga lang limited gravy. Hindi kagaya sa Pilipinas, unlimited talaga siya. Dito talagang limit lang. So akala namin kanina sarado. Yung pala bukas na. They open at 9 o'clock. Then now, ang dami ng paglabas ko ng store. Pagpasok kanina mag-isa lang ako. Ngayon paglabas ko ng store, ayan ang dami ng mga pumupunta. See, may ibang lahi na rin na tumatangkilik ng produkto natin. Spicy ba talaga yung spicy nila? So, yeah. So, daddy ni Miguel kumuha ng spicy chicken. So, spicy daw talaga. Yes.
Hey guys, if you want to know why mom's talking about this thing and telling you to see it, even though he's not seeing it, it's like a little mistake. But if I want you to explain, there's there's a car that just came that's gonna probably eat Jollibee, and then there's a couple that's also gonna eat Jollibee.
Yes. So,
And then there's another guy who's walking to get Jollibee.
Yes.
You see, that's how popular Jollibee is in Canada as well.
I know. So, hindi pa po kami pwedeng mag-dine in. Kaya nga po, every time na kakain kami sa labas, order na lang kami, tas take out. Then we eat in a car. So, anyway, yun lang po. We just want to show to you or share to you na kumain kami sa Jollibee. Kasi miss na talaga namin ang Jollibee. Kahit na this is not our first time na kumain sa Jollibee. So, anyway, always take care. And we're gonna update you later kung saan kami pupunta. Kasi Easter Sunday ngayon. So, still holiday. So, yung mga stores close. And, baka mag-drive lang kung saan. Then, isasama namin kayo. So, don't forget to comment, like this video, and press the bell for notification. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Okay?